Alright, Alex, got everything running here really nice. Beautiful gauge on it. That whistle I found. Tricocks are right there. And of course your water sight glass. Right there. Pop-off valve is set at 100 and it works properly. I will remove this valve because I know it works properly, and this valve here under the gauge because it does, or under the whistle, it doesn't leak at all. Firebox is real nice, real big. I've increased the size of the door on it, the opening. And this is your draft valve. It's using steam to draw air through the fire from below. Amazing. Whenever I put new wood in, I use that a little bit. Of course, you got to have boiler pressure to do it. Your engine out is right here. My AC water pump. Instead of a hand pump, now we just it doesn't have a switch on it. You have to just plug it in. And you only need to use it once in a while. I've got it going down in my bucket here. And I'll pause the camera here and I will plug it in. Okay, he's pumping now out of the bucket. And this is your airlock valve. Water goes out of there. It's amazing. So it's pumping against 80 pounds of pressure. I've had it up to over 100. And it pumped just fine, pumping water into the boiler now. That's all you have to do. No more hand pumping. Really works good. And then you just want to put enough water in to be right, about halfway. I have a mark here on it, right there, but it's been pumping well above that. Anyway, that's about it. Any questions, give me a call. I'll blow the whistle. Turn down your volume, I'll blow the whistle a little bit. Nice whistle, 2-inch whistle, brass, all solid brass. Anybody has any questions about this boiler, would like one, just give me a call. My name is Ross. My number is 206-948-0770. Or you can email me at anacortesteam. That's ANACORTESSTEAM @gmail.com. Anacortesteam, all one word.